In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Google Maps timeline. So what you want to do is open up Google Maps on your phone. Now you should be logged into your Google account already, and you should be able to see your profile icon in the top right. If you aren't, you are going to need to log into a Google account to have this done. Then go to your profile icon in the top right hand corner, and then you'll see your timeline. Go ahead and click on this. And if your timeline isn't enabled, you probably won't have any results here. Now you can check to see if it's available or not by clicking on Review Settings. That will then open up these options. Now, to actually use Google Timeline, you need these three turned on. So you can see Timeline needs to be turned on. So you can go ahead and click on the off text, and then that will take you to your Google account. So just click it. It can be a bit fiddly. So now we've opened up that link and it's gone to our Google account, and we can go ahead and turn on Timeline. Click turn on and agree to those terms. Once you've done that, you can then go back. Now you can see that's been turned on. Now we need to turn on location access for maps. Again, if device location isn't turned on for you, you can click on it and you can turn it on. I'm going to click on location access now. Now it's going to take me straight into Google Maps, and we can go and change the location to always. And then once we've done that, if we go back to Google Maps, and we go ahead and refresh this, you can see it is now enabled and timeline should be fully working.